Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Oppo. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Apps. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, just click on an app that you wish to apply. And go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!